Lots of big topics covered at this year's keynote address from Cisco Live. Our Teena Maddox is there covering the big event for us. And Teena will start with, a lot of talk about connectivity on many fronts. Explain that for us.
So here at Cisco Live, one of the big things being talked about is multi-cloud connectivity. And basically this is just all of us. We have so many devices, our laptops, our tablets, our phones, and we're jumping from application to application. And so that means security in the network is jumping from the cloud to the edge to a data center there at your company. So Cisco is working to try to create a safe environment so that it's more secure for users.
Okay, Teena, and security is always top of mind. What do you have to say about that?
Absolutely. Security is such a big deal. There are 20 billion security threats daily on networks around the world. And that means that there is one every 39 seconds. And we're talking major security threats and breaches. So these are things that can really, put people's credit cards and personal security at risk. So that's part of what Cisco is working toward, to create a more secure environment. Again, touching back upon the multi-cloud user situation where our devices are just kind of connecting to everything these days.
Okay, and Teena, technology changes at a rapid pace, as we know. And during the keynote, I thought it was interesting. He used an analogy that really highlights just how many changes have taken place over the last couple of years.
So one of the things that was discussed was how Cisco had its first networking event called Networkers back in 1989, and that was the precursor to Cisco Live. So it's been 30 years, and it went from 150 people at the original to nearly 30,000 people at this year's. And technology has just completely changed, obviously, how we do our lives. And Chuck Robbins talked about how we don't even talk to each other anymore. We do it through text, we do it through apps, we do it like we're doing this right now, through a Zoom video link. So everybody just, we're not face-to-face as much anymore, but Cisco's making that happen for people.
Teena, thank you. That's Teena Maddox for us there at Cisco Live 2019. And for more on the conference and Teena's articles, make sure you check out Tech Republic.